Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by shifting the chain to the smallest cog so the wheel comes out easily. Once done, open the quick release or loosen axle nuts and disengage the brake to free the wheel. Support the bike securely on a stand or flipped frame to avoid tipping. Make sure you identify whether the sprocket is a cassette, a threaded freewheel, or a fixed single speed, because that determines which removal tool you will use and how the hub secures the sprocket. Next, remove the old sprocket using the correct tools and technique. For a cassette, wrap the chain whip around a large cog to hold it, then fit the lock ring tool and turn to loosen the lock ring. Counterhold the chain whip to prevent rotation. For a threaded freewheel, mount the freewheel removal tool and hit the pedal backwards while holding the tool to unthread it. After removal, clean the free hub body or hub threads thoroughly, inspect bearings and spacers, and note spacer order. Install the new sprocket by sliding the cassette onto the free hub splines or threading the freewheel onto the hub, making sure any spacers sit in the right order. Torque the lock ring or freewheel to spec to prevent slippage. Once secured, remount the wheel, reconnect the brake, and place the chain on the correct cog. Shift through the full range while pedaling to confirm smooth engagement. If the chain skips or jumps, adjust cable tension and derailleur limit screws before a final test ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.